those were the ingredients that we'll need for this recipe. Take a bowl and add there 200 grams of butter, 400 grams of sour cream, and a little bit of salt, mainly depending to your taste. Mix all of these ingredients together until the butter is totally melted down and mixed with the sour cream. Continually mix all of these ingredients together, and when finished, add to it 2.5 cups of flour. Continually mix all of these ingredients together until you get the dough we need for the bananas. You can add the flour little by little so that it will be easier for you to work with the dough. If you add the whole flour, the whole 2.5 cups of flour at once, this will be much more difficult for you than if you add it little by little. When the whole flour is added to the other ingredients, start working with the dough by hands so that you will feel that there are no butter or flour balls left in the dough. When finished working with the dough, close it with a towel and let it rest a little bit. Now, start preparing the filling of the bananas. Take another bowl and add to it 200 grams of curd. Knead it with the fork finally and add to it 100 grams of butter. Knead it as well with the curd. And when done, add to it 1 cup of sugar and 1 egg. Continually mix all of these ingredients together so that all of the ingredients will be properly kneaded. Nice job done! This is the filling, nearly ready filling for the bananas. When all of these ingredients are properly kneaded, add half cup of flour to this mixture. And yes, you are there! You have nearly finished with the filling of the bananas. Meanwhile, the dough of the bananas are being rested, and after finished with the filling, you will be ready to open it and start working with it. Continually mix now the ingredients for the filling, and when finished, just put it aside. Take out the towel of the dough, pour some flour onto the table, and start working with the dough. Make some little balls or pieces from the dough. It sounds to be difficult, but what you should do is just repeat everything you see in the video, and it will be much more easier. Cut the dough into some pieces, and those pieces will later be used or opened as pancakes. Repeat the same thing with the dough right as you see in the video. When finished with this step as well, you will start making some balls out of the pieces, and you'll start opening them and making kind of pancakes one by one. This is not a very difficult thing, you just need a patience and patience. When finished with all of the pieces and you've got the balls, pour some more flour onto the table and start opening them one by one. Once you get the necessary shape, you will fill it with the mess we've got before. You can continually add some flour to it so that it won't be too sticky and you'll work with it more easily. Just add some more flour to different sides of the dough and continue opening it as a pancake. When you are finished with this step as well, just pour the filling into it, right as you see in the video. You are nearly so close to the end. Several more steps and you're done. When the filling is into the dough, start rolling it so that to get the shape of bananas. This seems to be long, however, we assure you that the final result is worth it. Repeat this same action with all of the pieces and balls we've got. Put all of them into the oven. Of course, when finished, not now. When finished with all of the dough, put them into the oven and cook under 200 Celsius of heat for some 20 minutes. Check them out after 20 minutes, and if they've got the bronzy color at the top, they are ready to be taken off. Take them out when ready, put them into the plate on which you are going to serve them, and pour a little bit of sugar powder onto them. Those are already ready to be served. Good appetite! Don't forget to subscribe to Twinkle Thomas Food TV if you wish to learn more amazing recipes from us. We do hope that you like this amazing and awesome recipe of making easy bananas, and we do hope that you'll continue enjoying the tasty life.